Good morning, everyone. I am going to be showing you how to finish your macrame bracelets. I have a students here who finished doing their bracelet. So what you do is at the end, the two pieces that you have been tying your knots with to make the entire bracelet, you are just going to double knot them at the end of your piece. Pull them nice and tight so that they don't come undone. And then once you double knot them, so tie them twice, you can cut those pieces off. All right, and now I still have the pieces that I was doing my knots around. And on the other side, you should have two longer pieces, 2 or 3 inches. And I want to trim the long piece that goes through the middle of my bracelet to be as long as the start. So I have 2 sides here and they are the same length. And I'm gonna tie a single loop knot on one end and the same thing on the other end. So take both, make a loop with both and put both through the loop. That's how I do just a single knot on the end. So both sides now have a loop on each. Now I'm going to take a piece of tape. Oh, and don't throw away the string that you cut off. We're about to use it, so make sure you didn't throw that away. So I'm going to take my bracelet. I'm going to take one end and put it down towards my body. I'm going to take the other end and put it up away so that all 4 strings are next to each other. And I'm going to tape the top down. And I'll take my other piece of tape and I'm going to tape the bottom down. So the space in between where all 4 strands are is my working space. Now I'm going to pick one of the colors from my bracelet and get a nice long piece. So this is my leftover from making the bracelet. So I'm just going to use my leftover. Dark green or light green? I like doing darker colors for this part in case it gets dirty. So I'm going to use dark green and I'm going to slide it under all 4 strands and make it so that it's in the center of this piece I just put under. Now what I'm going to do is I'm making a sliding clasp. And a sliding clasp is the same knot you've been doing this whole time. It's that square knot. So I'm going to do a 4 on the left, go over the tail, under all 4 strands in the middle, and through the loop on the other side. You guys should be familiar with this knot by now. Oops, it wrapped all the way around. Let's undo that and we'll just do it again so that you can see it. So in the middle, take my left strand, make a 4. Now I'm making a baby 4. 4, take my right strand, go over the left strand's tail, under everything, and through the loop. There we go. And I can slide that up and tighten that. Now I'm going to use the right side. So I did the left, now I'm doing the right. Backwards 4, over the tail, under all 4 in the middle, and through the loop. Again, you should be familiar with this knot. And I'm going to do it about 6 times. So that was 1, 2. So let's do left again. 3. 3. Right. Ooh. Under, through the loop. There we go. 4, and then once more on the left and once more on the right. See, I'm getting tired. 5, and then last right one. 6. Okay, so I have all 6. Let's push them all together. And I'm going to double knot the 2 ends together. once, twice. Well, nice and tight. You can cut that extra off. Now, I'm not gonna do it because I don't wanna get glue all over me, but what you guys would do is you'd now stick a toothpick in the super glue Gorilla Glue and you'd put just a little bit of glue on that knot. Do not get it on the 4 strands underneath or it won't slide, but you can put a little bit of super glue on that knot. What you can do now is if you take the 2 ends on either side, you can pull these and you can tighten your bracelet. And then you can also pull the bracelet apart to loosen. So now you have a sliding knot for your bracelet. And that is how you finish your bracelets off.